Today we're going to be going through the products that I have used up for the last couple of months, things that I will repurchase and things that I won't. So let me go ahead and start with some of the hair products. I only have like one or two. I think I have two hair products here. So the first one is from Eve NYC Fresh Up Dry Shampoo. I really liked this. I got this from Ulta. I think it was on sale when I bought it for like $5 or $6. This is a really nice dry shampoo. The smell was really pretty. A vanilla plus kind of a powder smell to it. So I like this. I think it did really well to take the oils out of my hair. I don't know that I would repurchase it because the one that I'm using right now, I really quite enjoy a lot more than this one. But this is a good buy if you are looking for something inexpensive. I would check this out. I don't have any issues with it, but I'm using another one that I like a little bit more, and that will probably be in my next trash type of videos. The Live Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. This one I got in my Sephora Play Box. I like this one as well, but like I said, I am currently using one that I got from Ulta that works really well. It's very inexpensive, so this one I will not be repurchasing because this one I think is like $28 for the full bottle, and I found a very inexpensive one that works really well for me. So where I like this and would suggest it for people that are looking for a very expensive dry shampoo, I would not repurchase it because I, like I said, found something that works for me that's a little bit cheaper. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get into skincare stuff. Makeup removers. These are the oil-free makeup removers from Neutrogena. I love these. I have another 3 bottles waiting for me to use. I'm currently using another one up right now. This stuff works really well for me. In the middle of the night when I'm getting ready to take off my makeup, all I do is put some on a cotton pad, place it on my eye for a few minutes, then rub off my mascara, my eyeliner, all of my eyeshadow, take off my eyebrows, and these are perfect. So yes, I will always repurchase these, and then when I find the ones that are not Neutrogena, the store brand ones, I purchase those ones too because I think these are awesome, and I highly suggest these if you're looking for a oil-free makeup remover for your eyes. And it always leaves my eyes feeling really, really nice and like moisturized too. So I like that about these. I will always
Next I have
these. Neutrogena's Clean Makeup Removers, Clean Night Calming Towelettes. I have like 3 more packages of this, and then I have some of the blue ones. I like these. I think they're perfect. I always use these after I use the eye remover, and then I take off all my foundation, and then I go in with a cleanser. So yeah, I will always be repurchasing these. These work really nice for me. I've tried other ones, and I like the Neutrogena ones the best out of all the ones that I've tried. So yes, I will always be repurchasing these Neutrogena towelettes. And I do like those lavender ones, the night calming ones, and they work really, really well. And I don't have any irritation with them too, so that's always good. Next I have the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. My sister-in-law sent me this. This stuff is amazing. I have not repurchased this, but I am going to as soon as I run out of the ones from Urban Decay. I believe you can get this on Beautylicious website and then off of Scandinavia's website as well. So this is a really, really nice finishing spray to set your makeup with. My sister-in-law swears by this, and it's really, really good. It is very close to the one from Urban Decay, which is this one here, which is what I'm working on now. The formula is pretty close. I do believe that the company, the Scandinavia company, does make the one for Urban Decay, so I didn't expect anything different from Urban Decay, but I feel like this one works just a little bit better to keep my makeup on throughout the day. So yes, this is one that I will repurchase after I finish up my 2 bottles of Urban Decay. The Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Herb, and Rosewater. This is the Rosewater spray. I love this stuff. I have another bottle sitting in my bathroom right now, and then I have another one here waiting for when the one in my bathroom goes away. So I absolutely love this. I spray my face with this every single day. After I've washed my face and put all my lotions on, that is the last step. I will just spray my whole face, really get it damp with that, and then I go to bed. So yes, I love, love, love this stuff, and I will continue to use this one. I haven't tried the cucumber one yet, but I love the Rosewater one. So if you don't like roses, you might want to try the cucumber one, but I highly suggest this. It leaves my face very moisturized throughout the night, and I love it. Another setting spray from Urban Decay. I ended up getting this one in my Sephora Play Box. I love, love, love this. I already have one on the way. I've already reordered it. This is the Quick Fix Hydrating Change Complex Prep Setting Spray. So what I would do with this in the morning, before I put on my makeup, I spray my face with this, or I spray my face with the one from Smashbox, and then I go on with my primer. So it actually just gives you some hydration to your face. Even though I have oily skin, this does help out to keep my oils at bay, and it just makes my face look really fresh, and I really like this. So I did reorder this, and it should be on the way. I'm excited. I really did like this, and it smells like coconuts, so you can't beat that in the morning. So this is one that I did repurchase, the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydrating Change Complex Deep Priming Spray. So yes, here's another face item from The Ordinary. I have the 100% organic cold pressed rose hemp oil. This is one that I used up. I really love this. This is another one that is on the way. This is one that I really enjoyed. I like the way it smoothed out my face. It just made me feel like it was doing something to my face, and I don't know exactly what it did, but I really loved the way that it just made my face feel and my skin feel super soft, and it also added hydration. So another one that yes, I have already ordered and should be on the way here in a couple of days. So this is the 100% organic rose hemp seed oil from The Ordinary. I order all of my stuff from The Ordinary off of Beautylish. If you guys have any questions about that, I'll leave the link down below so you know how to get to them. But yeah, this is really good. It's a really good oil for your face. And then next I have the POREfessional Matte Reducer Gel. So this stuff my daughter really loves. I recently started using it and I did reorder it. I have another one right here. So what you do with this is after you've put on your primers, you can tap it in the middle of your face where you would normally get oily, or after you put your makeup on, you just, you know, get some on your hands, let it kind of dry, and then tap it in your face as well. So this is a really good product to make sure that you don't get oily throughout the day. It leaves you matte and it helps keep the oils at bay. I really like it. So yes, I've reordered that, and I probably will order it for a long time coming too. So I've already got another bottle. You don't need a lot. This one lasts me about 6 months. The next one will probably last about the same. So this one is just a little tester size, and I don't have a problem with ordering just the testers because I don't need a lot of it. So I do like this. Is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hydrating Cloud Cream. This is the one that I had in a tester. I recently, you know, if you've been watching me for a while, know that I ordered the full pack and I use it every night. I love this. I did reorder the full one, and it does give a lot of hydration to the skin. So any of you that have really dry skin, I would highly suggest it. I like it even though I have oily skin. I think it does a really good job at night to hydrate my face, and I will probably continue to use this until I find something that I feel like is better. You can also use this in the morning if you want, but I don't use it in the morning because I have oily skin. Big shot. This is one that they came out with, I believe sometime last year, kind of in the middle of the year, and it was a collab with Manny MUA and another YouTuber, and I can't remember what her name is right now, but this was an okay mascara for me. I will not be repurchasing this one. I think that I have other Maybelline mascaras that work better than this. It wasn't a bad mascara by any means. I didn't have a problem reaching for it, but I do like other Maybelline mascaras more, so this is one that I probably will not repurchase, but I will repurchase other Maybelline mascaras. So I just didn't like it as much as I thought I would, so this one will not be repurchased. Alright, here I have an empty tube of my all-time favorite Better Than Sex mascara. This one is one that I always repurchase. You guys already know that. I love mascara, the mascara from Too Faced. I've already got another tube here on my desk, so yes, this is one that I always will repurchase. I went through another tube, so it's in my empties, but yes, I will always repurchase this mascara. I really, really love this. So the last thing I have in the box is from e.l.f. This is their exfoliating lipstick. So it's pretty much all gone. I've already repurchased another one that I have in my bathroom. This one is the brown sugar one. I purchased the coconut one, which I realized that the brown sugar one has really, really, really big crystals in it, which really exfoliates your skin. And then the coconut one has tiny, itty bitty little crystals in it, which, you know, is just as good. But this one here, because of the bigger crystals, I feel like I like the coconut one that I have now better. So this one is really nice if you need something with extra oomph to it to get a lot of dead skin off of. This one has the super big crystals. This is a brown sugar one. I prefer the coconut one, so I will not be repurchasing this particular one, but I will repurchase the one from the coconut one, and I do want to try the mint one out too as well. So this one I did like, but I found another product within their line that I liked a little bit better. So I do suggest it though if you need something that will really exfoliate your lips. This one is really good for that. Alright guys, that was all of my empties this month. There are some things that I will repurchase and some things that I won't. I test out a lot of products, so I was actually pretty happy that I got through a lot of them this time. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take the time to do so now. It really does help me out, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye bye.